Hey, what's going up, guys? This is Cesar'z right here. Today we're gonna open some packs. And we get skirts. Oh no, I don't spell it. And we get King Knock. Oh my gosh. And we get Joaquin. And we're gonna Gaspar. Oh my gosh. And bruh, Cruz. Really? Don't give me Cruz. Give me something else. Bruh, basta. No. What? I already got him. Drexler. And no. Costume, man. Oh, we get any format we're gonna get? No. We don't need that, nigga. Another informant we're gonna get. Lamela. Gotta be kidding me. They get everything there. I freaking hate this. Not that much though. Herrera. We get Cesar'z. Alright, guys, we're back. Sorry, I was helping my sister. And we are gonna get. I'll play Cueta, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna show you all of my players. We got Hero Ronaldo, Legend Matthews, Legend Van Basten, Hero Ibrahimovic, Legend Esther, Legend Best, 90 Robin, 90 Newer, 89 Gigs, 89 Canavero, 89 Euro, 89 Moore, 89 Black, 89 Ibrahimovic, 89 Hazard, 88 Aguero, 88 Costa, 88 Carlos, 88 Seti, 88 Zucker, 88 Laudrup, 88 Neymar, 87 Okocha, 87 Okocha, Gattuso, 87 Larson, 87 Pauleta, 87 Sanchez, 87 Gale, 87 Lamb, 87 Aguero, 87 Ramos, 87 Ribery, 87 Boateng, 87 Lewandowski, 87 Rodriguez, 86 Sheringham, 86 Donovan, 86 Lawless, 86 Vidal, 86 Sanchez, 86 Ruiz, 86 Cortés, 86 De Bruyne, 86 De Gea, 86 Pogba, 85 Terry, 85 and 85 Torre and Company, 85 Cazorla, Piqué, Golden, 85 84 Di Maria, Hamsik, Eriksson, 84 Alonso, Pepe, and Basargli, 84 Snyder, Alves, Higuian, 84 Jarvis, Benatia, Gote, 84 Otamendi, Leno, Luxet, 84 Martinez, Cisco Trap, 83 Manolas, Mark Sacker, Matthew, 83 Torben, Martino, Baines, and Alves, and Marcelo, and K, Jordan, Pedro, and Thiago, and Muniz, and Eriksson, and Payet, and an error, Valdez, Sableta, Bella, William Giroud, Ramsey Aubameyang, Trap, Kagawa, Narcision Quadrado, Varane, and Hero with John and all of these, and Bartram. Thanks for watching, guys.